This is Project Moose, an E.C.D Custom Defender 110. Moose is painted in full gloss Nara bronze with black accents all round. The Moose sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 black wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a classic front grille with worn winch, 4 circular spotlights attached to the front runner gutter mounted roof rack with rear ladder, and also 2 further LED work lights in the rear. Inside, Project Moose features an E.C.D custom Momo Prototipio steering wheel with mole bomber gauges, 2 Puma Classic front and mid-row seats, and 2 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in vertical diamond Garrett Cadence Spice leather, stitched together in tan. This vehicle also features our superb Teak deck throughout the rear cargo area. Moose is powered by our Chevy LS3 V8 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. Moose also features an array of modern conveniences such as JL audio sound system, in-car Wi-Fi and access to USB ports throughout. This really is a superb looking vehicle. Nara bronze is a timeless colour choice and it pairs extremely well with the tan interior. The Moose will be sure to impress on or off-road.